बेटा इंटरव्यू अच्छा था, बट थोड़ा सा शशीर अहमद खान के बारे में आप पढ़ लीजिए और नज़म याद होनी चाहिए। कभी कभी नज़म आपसे पूछ लेते हैं, ये कभी कभी आपसे शेर पूछा जा सकता है। तो जैसे अभी लास्ट सर जो हम लोग ने रिकॉर्ड इंटरव्यू लिए थे बच्चों के, और उनका जब फाइनल इंटरव्यू हुआ था तो उसमें जो है बच्चों से शेर भी पूछे गए। तो आप एक शेर याद कर लीजिए और किसने लिखा है इसके बारे में पता कर लीजिए, ठीक है। और कुछ आंसर्स आपके आपके आंसर सारे बहुत अच्छे लगे, बट आंसर्स कुछ जो ना थोड़े क्लियर कट नहीं है, घुमा रहे हैं थोड़े से, तो उसको आंसर्स को क्लियर करिए अपने, ठीक है। बैठिए, टेक योर सीट बेटा। Introduce yourself.
My name is Muqaddam Mirza. My father's name is Muhammad Jawaz Ali.
So loudly you can speak.
And my mother's name is Nusrat Fatma.
Repeat your introduction again, beta.
Yes.
Loudly.
My name is Muqaddam Mirza and my mother's name is Nusrat Fatma. And my father's name is Muhammad Jawaz Ali. And I have passed out my 8th standard from Albedo Public School, Karbeli in Kathia. And I am from Bihar in the Kathia district in a small village in Simanchal area. And now I am here as a candidate for the final selection of the entrance of 9 for the AMU. And that was all about myself.
What's your age?
My age is 14 years.
14 years. Okay. Can you tell me what is opaque object?
Opaque object is an object through which light cannot pass.
Okay. What is transparent?
Transparent is just opposite to the opaque object, while the light can completely pass through the transparent.
And what is translucent?
Translucent is an object through which light can partially pass.
So what you want to become in future?
I want to become a professor in the future.
You want to become a professor. Which subject you want to teach?
I'm not sure about that, but I know that I'm going to have it on my future, and I will decide it soon.
Okay, you will decide in future. Okay, fine. Alright, in which department you want to serve as a professor?
Maybe it would be medical department as a professor.
Medical science. Alright, fine. Which subject you like most?
I like most science.
Science. In which you know what is science?
Science is a subject through which we know about our environment and our surrounding, through which the experiments and the result about them.
Through the experiment. Yes. Okay. Which chapter you like most?
My favorite chapter is light.
Light. Okay. What is light?
Light is a form of energy which is made up of photon particles.
Photon particles. What is photon?
Photon is a particular substance which loses energy when hitting on a body.
Sorry. Answer me again.
Photon is a particle who loses its energy on hitting a body.
Is it right that photon is particle?
Actually, I've heard that there are many controversies upon this. Most of the scientists and philosophers say it's an energy, some say it's a matter.
Exactly. Controversial topic है ये. Okay. ठीक है. Do you know what is laws of reflection?
Yes.
What is the laws?
The first law is that if an incident ray falls on a outgoing mirror, it will be as equal to the angle of incidence as the angle of reflection, which means that the angle between actually there is an imaginary line which is called normal, which is exactly perpendicular to the reflecting surface, and the angle between the incident ray and the normal is called the incident angle, and well the reflected ray and the normals, between the angle between them is called the angle of reflection. Both are equal.
Okay, अगर angle of incidence 35 डिग्री है तो angle of reflection कितना होगा?
35 डिग्री होगा.
35 डिग्री होगा. ठीक. What is the thing you like most in light?
Light. Actually, I like more about that. Actually, it's also controversial, and I like it as there are many things to study about light. That it's all around us, and it's one of the most important thing that us, because of it we can see anything. Without it we can't do anything. So that I like them, and the most interesting part of it is the lens part of the light.
Beta, when light falls on the mirror
Yes.
along the normal,
Hmm.
just along the normal. So what should be the angle of incidence and angle of reflection?
The both should be zero.
Good.
Both should be zero. Very good. All right. What is the function of mitochondria?
Mitochondria in animals, right?
Anyway,
In general, I am saying
Okay. It's called the kitchen of the power plant of the cell.
power plant.
Hmm.
power plant, yeah,
Powerhouse.
Powerhouse. Yes.
Okay.
Powerhouse. It's gives energy to our cell for the function.
In what form it gives energy?
Mm, in form of ATP particles.
Right.
ATP. What is the full form of ATP?
So sad, I don't know.
You don't know about this. Okay. All right.
What happened in the digestion, Beta?
Digestion. Basically, digestion is a process in which the food is break down into simpler particles.
What type of food you can take and how it is converted into corresponding smaller particles?
If I take just my casual meal, like if I take rice and dal,
What is rice in general? It is protein or carbohydrate?
it's carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. So what happened about the carbohydrate when it will undergo digestion?
Most of the carbohydrate is digested in our mouth with the help of saliva.
Yeah.
When we eat that rice, first our teeth chew it up in smaller particles, and then our tongue mixes the saliva with that rice, and the breakdown of the starch is formed there.
The carbohydrate is digested.
Yes.
In which form it is digested in your body?
Actually,
क्या वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट की फॉर्म में डाइजेस्ट होती है कुछ और सिंपलर सब्सटेंस में ब्रेक डाउन होके होती है
वैसे तो स्टार्च होती है, स्टार्च को ग्लूकोज बोल सकते हैं.
बोल सकते नहीं है. That is exactly glucose.
Yes.
And what about the protein?
प्रोटीन.
What happens when protein will digest?
प्रोटीन
In your
अमीनो
mouth.
एसिड और नाइट्रोजन वगैरह से टूट जाता है.
What? Amino acids. Only amino acids you can say. Right. Good. Very nice. What is the function of protein beta in your body?
It's a bodybuilding nutrient, and it's help us to create and grow our body parts, and I think it's essential for the cell development and the growing of the cells.
Okay, nice. And you know what is physical and chemical change?
So,
What is physical and chemical change?
physical change is a type of change which occurs on a substance which changes its physical properties like color, odor, or its shape, etc. like that. While the chemical change directly changes its chemical property.
Can you give me one example of each?
If we talk about the physical property, physical change, we can say that if we take a paper, we tear it up or make a paper plate of it.
Yeah.
The paper is no longer just a plain paper. It's now an airplane, but it's still a paper. It's not changes into anything else.
Right.
You said order या odor?
Order.
Order.
Their state. Order means state. One
Okay.
state to another state. Yes.
What is the difference between force and pressure?
Force and pressure. Force. Actually, force is used to make a work upon any object to move it or do something like that. But pressure, it's just on a object which is to a Newton per meter square, and the force is Newton per second.
Force in Newton per second.
Mm.
Okay. What is the main reason of acceleration?
Main reason for the acceleration.
Or we can say basic reason of acceleration.
The force.
अगर कोई बॉडी पे बैलेंस फोर्स लग रहा है तो इन विच डायरेक्शन दैट बॉडी विल एक्सेलरेट
किसी भी डायरेक्शन में नहीं होगा इसमें.
किसी भी डायरेक्शन में एक्सेलरेट नहीं करेगी. ठीक है. टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट ससीद अहमद खान.
Sasir Khan was a man who is also the founder of Aligarh Muslim University, which was earlier called MAO or Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. He did many things for the society. He was an open-minded man. His thinking was that at the time the British were ruling the India, and his thinking was that we the Muslims we should not be backward, and we should also get the Western knowledge, and we need to know the science. And there was one saying of his, I'm getting on it. This was about the
English is also one of the most important media to serve the people and public. This is also the part of the saying.
I can't
English.
English.
कम्युनिकेशन में हेल्प करेगी
One
ना
of the important media. So most of the people will just suppose these words.
उनकी वालिदा का क्या नाम है?
उनके वालिदा का नाम
वालिद का
वालिद का नाम जनाब सैयद मीर मुत्तकी।
लिख के दिखाइए, पेन लीजिए, लिख के दिखाइए उर्दू में। आपको कोई शेर आता है? लिखते लिखते बात करिए। शेर होता है, शेर होता है।
शेर।
तो फिर आप शेर क्यों बोल रहे हो?
जी।
कोई नज़म याद है आपको उर्दू में? नज़म
अल्लामा इकबाल का ये वो एक पोएम थी हमारे क्लास के फर्स्ट चैप्टर में एनसीईआरटी के।
उर्दू में पोएम कहते हैं, नज़म कहते हैं?
नज़म। हाँ, ये माँ का ख्वाब के नाम से, ख्वाब के नाम से वो किस तरह सुनाई साइड।
हाँ।
मैं सोई जो एक सब तो देखा ये ख्वाब, जिससे बढ़ा मेरा, जिससे मेरा
इस्तराब क्या चीज़ है?
इस्तराब मतलब टेंशन, परेशानी।
ओके,
Next.
और मैंने देखा कि मैं जा रही हूँ कहीं, अंधेरा हर तरफ और राह मिलती नहीं। I'm not getting the next line.
Okay.
आयरन लेडी कौन है इंडिया की?
इंदिरा गांधी। श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी।
ओके, करंट वाइस चांसलर कौन है इंडिया में?
करंट वाइस चांसलर अभी प्रोफेसर नईमा खातून।
और फर्स्ट लेडी वाइस चांसलर कौन है?
वही प्रोफेसर नईमा खातून।
कौन से डिपार्टमेंट से बिलोंग करती हैं?
ये तो नहीं पता।
ये नहीं, ठीक है, सही। जय, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू फॉर द
ओके, इधर आइए बेटा, बैठिए थोड़ा सा। सर बेटा इंटरव्यू अच्छा था, बट थोड़ा सा शर्सीर अहमद खान के बारे में आप पढ़ लीजिए, और नज़म याद होनी चाहिए। कभी कभी नज़म आपसे पूछ लेते हैं, ये कभी कभी आपसे शेर पूछा जा सकता है। तो जैसे अभी लास्ट सर जो हम लोग ने रिकॉर्ड इंटरव्यू लिए थे बच्चों के, और उनका जब फाइनल इंटरव्यू हुआ था तो उसमें जो है बच्चों से शेर भी पूछे गए। तो आप एक शेर याद कर लीजिए और किसने लिखा है इसके बारे में पता कर लीजिए, ठीक है। और कुछ आंसर्स आपके आंसर सारे बहुत अच्छे लगे, बट आंसर्स कुछ जो ना थोड़े क्लियर कट नहीं है, घुमा रहे हैं थोड़े से, तो उसको आंसर्स को क्लियर करिए अपने, ठीक है। बाकी सर कुछ आप कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं ठीक है, ओके बेटा। रिवीजन में रहिए, का दो साइंस में पढ़ लीजिएगा अच्छे से, ठीक है बेटा। ओके,
थोड़ा रिवीजन मोड अपना अच्छा रखिएगा, ठीक है। तो अभी आपके इंट्रोडक्शन में 4 मार्क्स, कॉन्फिडेंस में 4 मार्क्स एंड नॉलेज में अभी 3 दूंगा, ठीक है। ऐसे 11 मार्क्स हो गए, ठीक है। राउंड आपके कितने राउंड्स हो गए? 3 राउंड्स हो गए, ठीक है। राउंड 4 के लिए आपको ट्यूसडे में बुलाते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है।